Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer apps with AT&T, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer apps with AT&T, start by ensuring both devices are fully charged. Connect both phones to a stable Wi-Fi network. On the source device, visit the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Locate the app you want to transfer and note it down. Now, on the receiving device, open the same App Store. Search for the noted app in the App Store. Tap on the app to initiate a download. Once the download is complete, open the app on the new device. If the app requires a login, use your existing account credentials. For certain apps, you may need to configure settings or preferences again. Ensure all data is properly synchronized if applicable. To transfer app data, check if the app supports data backup and restoration. If supported, follow the app's instructions for data transfer. If you're transferring from iPhone to Android, consider using the Move to iOS or AT&T Mobile Transfer app. On the source device, install the required app if needed. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect both devices. Choose the applications you wish to transfer. Once selected, initiate the transfer process. After the transfer is complete, verify that all apps function correctly. Check for any app updates on the new device. Repeat this process for any additional apps you wish to transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.